Are you tired of trying one diet after another without seeing significant results? Do you wish there was a simple, delicious solution to help you lose weight? You're in luck. Today, we'll explore the top 11 foods that can help you shed those unwanted pounds, plus a bonus that you won't want to miss. So grab a plate, sit back, and prepare to revolutionize your weight loss journey. 1. Fiber-rich whole grains. Have you ever heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Well, what if we told you that whole grains could do the same for your waistline? Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and barley are packed with fiber, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This helps to curb cravings and prevent overeating, ultimately supporting weight loss. So next time you're in the kitchen, swap out refined grains for their whole grain counterparts and watch the pounds start to melt away. 2. Lean proteins. Protein is the building block of muscle, and building lean muscle mass is essential for boosting your metabolism and burning calories. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, and tofu are excellent sources of lean protein. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you feel fuller for longer, reduce hunger, and support weight loss. So say goodbye to late-night snacking and hello to a slimmer figure. 3. Green, leafy vegetables. Green, leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them the perfect addition to any weight loss plan. These vegetables are packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which help to keep your body functioning at its best. Plus, they're incredibly versatile, so you can enjoy them in salads, smoothies, or even as a tasty side dish. 4. Berries. When it comes to satisfying your sweet tooth without sabotaging your weight loss goals, berries are your best friend. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, which help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, they're low in calories, so you can indulge guilt-free. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and calcium, both of which can support weight loss by helping to build lean muscle mass and strengthen bones. Plus, the probiotics in Greek yogurt can help to improve digestion, reduce bloating, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Opt for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid added sugars and enjoy it as a snack, breakfast, or even as a base for salad dressings and sauces. 6. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense snack that can help to curb cravings and support weight loss. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, research has shown that people who consume almonds regularly tend to have a lower body mass index, BMI, than those who don't. So, grab a handful of almonds and start snacking your way to a slimmer waistline. 7. Green tea. Green tea is not only a delicious, calorie-free beverage, but also a powerful weight loss aid. The antioxidants in green tea, specifically catechins, have been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. Plus, the caffeine in green tea can help to suppress appetite and increase energy levels, making it a great addition to any weight loss plan. 8. Avocado. Although avocado is high in fat, it's the healthy monounsaturated kind that can actually help you lose weight. The healthy fats in avocado can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. 9. Legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are another excellent source of protein and fiber, making them a fantastic addition to any weight loss plan. These nutrient-dense foods can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied while providing essential vitamins and minerals for overall health. Plus, legumes are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups to veggie burgers. 10. Grapefruit. This tangy citrus fruit has long been touted as a weight loss superstar, and for good reason. Grapefruit is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, research has shown that consuming grapefruit before meals can help to reduce overall calorie intake, promoting weight loss. So start your day with a juicy grapefruit or enjoy it as a refreshing snack to boost your weight loss efforts. 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to weight loss. These tiny seeds are an excellent source of fiber and protein, which can help to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, they absorb water and expand in your stomach, further promoting a feeling of fullness. Try adding chia seeds to your smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a nutrient-packed weight loss boost. 12. Water. Though not a food, water is an essential part of any weight loss plan. Staying hydrated helps to keep your metabolism running smoothly, suppresses appetite, and aids in digestion. Drinking water before meals can also help to reduce overall calorie intake, promoting weight loss. So make sure you're getting your 8 to 10 glasses a day to support your weight loss goals. Potential drawbacks. While these foods can help support weight loss, it's important to remember that moderation and balance are key. Consuming too much of even the healthiest foods can still lead to weight gain if you're not mindful of portion sizes and overall calorie intake. Additionally, it's important to combine a healthy diet with regular physical activity for the best weight loss results. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine. And there you have it. 11 incredible foods that can help you lose weight, plus a bonus tip that's essential for any weight loss journey. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you'll not only enjoy delicious meals, but also unlock the secrets to shedding those unwanted pounds. So, why not give it a try? Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your experience with these foods or any other weight loss tips you have. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health and nutrition advice. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.